Welcome back. You're still watching the Editors Roundtable here on CNBC-TV18. So we ended the week pretty well, actually, despite all the cues that we had. But now let's look ahead to all the triggers that you can watch out for next week. We officially kickstart the earnings season on Wednesday next week with TCS's numbers. That's on the 11th of October. Post that, there's Infosys and HCL Tech on the 12th. That's on Thursday. And then the following week, all the other heavyweights in the IT sector, whether it's Wipro, Persistent Systems, Mphasis, Tech Mahindra, KPIT Technologies. So a lot of index and non-index, large caps coming through with their earnings next week. Now, more than the numbers, the big question that we're asking is the worst of the demand pressure behind us in the IT sector? So that will be important to track the commentary from the IT managements. Remember, stocks have also seen a bit of a rebound, so it would be important to see if there is some follow-through on the commentary side. And also, what is the outlook for tech companies in FY25? Any indication of some FY25 guidance or any outlook, etc., will be watched for very closely. The other thing to track is the IPO lock-in that ends for many companies next week. There will be 5 companies that will have their lock-in periods across various timeframes ending next week, and about 11 crore shares amongst these 5 companies will be eligible for trading next week. So some of the names are up for you on your screen. There's Senco Gold, Uday Shivkumar Infra, Avalon Tech, Veranda Learning, Mazgaon Dock as well. The lock-in period will be ending. So those are a couple of triggers to watch out for. But other than that, we don't have too much time left on the show. So thanks a lot for watching. And folks, big weekend lined up. It's a lot of sporting action. So I guess we all have our weekend plans in store.
Oh, absolutely. I think a lot of sporting action, and that's it. That's it for me. I don't know what about you guys.
India's going to come out on top.
Looks like, in hockey, we are likely to win a gold.
And the World Cup.
Even in the, World Cup is still a couple of weeks. There are still 3-4 weeks, right?
No, I'm saying
it's a big match on Sunday.
Yeah, exactly. That will be an interesting match. So.
Okay, and Prashant, what about you?
I'm home, no plans.
Prashant is the one.
He has big plans.
Yeah, and then on Monday morning, I went here, I came home at 3 in the morning. I was like, you said you're doing nothing.
Actually, I'll tell you, my daughter's birthday was yesterday. She's a teenager now. And tomorrow, my son turns 10.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a busy, and then my wife's birthday is this month. So it's a busy October.
That's all I can. It's an expensive month, for you.
And we are included in the treat.
So
when you have a teenager, all I can say is best of luck to you. A new phase of life, right? Okay.
Absolutely.
Well, folks, thanks a lot for bearing with us and joining in. And hope you have a great weekend. Lots of action lined up this weekend. We'll see you bright and early on Monday morning.